Welcome to XM.com for the Daily Market Comment by Raft Boyajian for Tuesday, December 14th. I'm Cristina Marujos. Equity markets were feeling the pressure from renewed concerns about the global growth outlook as China imposed draconian restrictions after the detection of the country's first Omicron case, while the United Kingdom's announcement of its first death from the new variant further spooked investors. Last week's relief rally is in danger of being pared back as optimism that the Omicron variant will not pose a major threat to the global economy appears to have been unfounded. Shares on Wall Street tumbled on Monday with growth-oriented stocks taking a heavier beating. The Nasdaq Composite declined by 1.4%, while the S&P 500 and Dow Jones both closed down 0.9%. Sentiment soured on Monday as the virus news pouring in was mostly bad for the economic outlook for the next few months. Stocks in Asia were additionally pulled lower by worries that more Chinese property developers are heading towards default. European indices opened higher, recouping some of yesterday's big losses, but later fell back as U.S. stock futures also turned negative. In the broader markets, the mood was also subdued as both the caution ahead of the Fed, European Central Bank, and Bank of England decisions, as well as the fast-developing events with the Omicron variant, kept investors on the sidelines. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to quicken its tapering process tomorrow, but the real focal point will be how many rate hikes policymakers will pencil in for 2022. The US dollar, however, remained in demand, gaining marginally against the basket of currencies to hit a one-week top before easing slightly. The European Central Bank will probably strike a dovish tone on Thursday, but the Bank of England is anticipated to postpone its rate hike for next year, as the United Kingdom faces fresh virus curves and Johnson warns of a tidal wave of Omicron cases. However, the more pessimistic scenario for the British economy looks mostly priced into the pound already, as cable has steadied around $1.32 this week. The euro has also halted its decline for now, hovering around $1.13 since late October. On the other hand, the riskier currencies have been under somewhat heavier selling pressure in the last few days, with the loonie hit particularly hard, even though oil prices have been drifting sideways. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at XM.com.